Hello, friends! Welcome, welcome! I'm your panda buddy. Today we're going to sing and play together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go!
Today, we're going to read about spider monkeys.
Spider monkeys. What are spider monkeys? Spider monkeys are primates. They live in the canopy of rainforests. They grab branches with their long arms and legs. Strong tails help them hang upside down. Sometimes spider monkeys leap from tree to tree. Troops. Spider monkeys travel in troops. They call to one another with barks and other sounds. Troops forage for fruits during the day. They also eat seeds, nuts, and leaves. A spider monkey warns the troop of danger. Pumas, jaguars, and eagles are predators. Mom and baby. A female spider monkey cares for her baby. They stay together for about 1 year. Mom carries her young as she swings on branches. What a ride!
Thank you for watching.